viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, let me show you the operations. Concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but joining of two or more lists into a single list. So take example, A is equal to 10, 20, 30. B is equal to 10.5, 20.325. C is equal to Python, Java. D is equal to true or false. True, false. You can see here, this is like this is integer list, int, and this list is float, and this is string list. You can see str, and here it is boolean. So now I am trying to concatenate all the lists and to make it as a single list. So print of, write the variable names here, A plus, B plus, C plus, D. So here plus act as a concatenator. See the example, the output. This is the concatenation. Here plus act as a concatenator. It is not like a addition. Repetition means the same sequence. If you want to repeat n number of times, that means a specified number of times, you can use the repetition. Multiplication symbol act as a repetitor here. It is not the multiplication. So let me print of A multiplied with 10 times. That means 10 times I want to repeat this sequence. You can see it here. This is repetition. And indexing is nothing but, take this example. Indexing is nothing but accessing the element through the position. So every element has a index number here. Index numbers always starts from 0. So in this case, 0 means 10, 1 means 20, 2 means 30. So print of A of 0 means index number always write inside of the square bracket. So A of 0 means 10. Print of A of 1 means 20. Print of A of 2 means 30. You can access the element through the forward indexing or in the reverse indexing. So if I am giving like a print of A of minus 1 means 30. You can see. Minus print of A of minus 2 means 20. Print of A of minus 3. So you can see. So you can access the element either in the forward indexing or in the reverse indexing based on the position. Slicing. Slicing is nothing but accessing a part of list using of the 3 parameters like start value, stop value and step value. Start value always included, stop value is excluded, that means n minus 1, and step value is optional. Let me show you one example here. Maybe here you can see I am taking this one, the whole list. List 1 is equal to, take this one. So print of, maybe my requirement is I want to slice from 10 to 20.25. That means this part only I want. In that scenario, you can write like it will take, slicing always takes 3 arguments, that is start value, stop value and step value. So start value always include, you can write like a start value include, include. Stop value excludes. Exclude means n minus 1. Exclude. And step value is optional. So first I want this part only 10 to 20.25. Then I am going to write like a first variable name list1 and always write inside of the square bracket. So start value always included. That means the first number is 0 because 0 is the position for 10. So 0 to and 20.25 I want. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am writing like a 4 means 4 minus 1 means 3. That means up to 10.5 only it will print. Let's try. You can say up to 10.5. But my expected output is including 20.25 also. So you need to write like a 5 here. So 5 means 5 minus 1 means 4. So 20.25 up to here it will print. Maybe you want only the Python and Java. So next you can say I want only my output is, you can say I want only the Python comma Java. This only I want. So in this scenario you need to write like a first variable name list1. And what are the index numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Python is 5. So start number is 5. Where to start the slice? That is 5. 7. You need to write like a 7. So now you can see Python Java. Maybe if you want to reverse the entire list, in that scenario you can write like a print of list1 of, directly you can give it like a -1. You can see the whole list was reversed. Next, maybe if you want to access in the reverse order, that also you can do it. List1 of, maybe I want -5 to -1. You can see -2 to -5. So here from here to here. So always remember slicing numbers need to write low to high only. Don't give it as a first one is the high value, later is the small value. So low to high the list. In next video, I'm going to explain the list methods. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video. Thank you.